Question. Observe the question. What is the time range given? Observe the question. What is the time range? Time given 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Is it yes or no? 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. As well as also given what? Speed also given 10 a.m. to 0 kilometer to 50 kilometer. Is it yes or no? So I can in x-axis understanding 0. Next one I can take understanding. So you can take the time as understanding directly at the first 10:40. Next, 10:30. Next you can take 10:40. Next you can take 10:50. Understanding? Next you can take 10:60. Like that, 10 minutes, 10 minutes difference, because each small division indicating 1 minute. Is it okay, Ra? Each small division indicating 1 meter. So same way, you take the graph. Here you take understanding 0. 0 is already there. Next you take 10 kilometers. Next 20 kilometers. 30 kilometers. Next 40, next 50. So that each small division indicating how many kilometers? 1 kilometer. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
No. So that is what the graph we should draw. But nobody has drawn. Now let us check. If you draw the graph correctly, you used to get the graph like this. Today, all of you have to draw in our classworks, in our graph paper, and you have to send me photocopy before evening. I am saying you again. So this is what the graph we used to get. Is it okay, Ra? All of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So observe very carefully. They are taking that 10 a.m. Time is time at starting 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. after who is coming? 10:10. You take here 10:10. Understanding? So 10:10. 10:10 after who is coming? 10:20. So after that 10:30 you take it. Understanding? Next 10:40. Next you take middle. Understanding? 10:50 also, no problem. Here what they are using, what is the given data only. So you can use 10:50. Next 11. Next, understanding 11:10 will come first. 11:10 will come. Understanding. Next, after that midline 11:15. Next here 11:20 will come. So like that, can you able to do it or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
All of you must.
Yes, sir.
So this is 10:20. Middle should come. Next 11:30. 11:20. So midpoint it is 11:15, like that. Now you observe carefully. At 10 o'clock, what is the distance? What is the distance 10 o'clock? 0 only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Observe values and tell me. Yesterday I have given question paper correct. Next. 10, by 10:30, what is the distance travel? 25 kilometers. Correct or? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At 10:40, after 10 minutes, what is the distance travel? Only 28 kilometers. Means 25, 28. It is the value. Please note it down, all of you. A to B. A to B it is travel only 5 kilometers distance. 3 kilometers. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nobody will respond.
Yes, sir.
Next, A to B after. B to C. B to C, what is the time period? 10:40 to 11 o'clock. Means 20 minutes time. So 20 minutes time. What is the distance it is traveled? Reaches to 40 kilometers. Understanding? So what is the distance traveled here? 40 minus 28, which is equals to 12 kilometers. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Next, 11 o'clock over. 11 to 11:15. 15 minutes time. So 15 minutes time, how much it is traveled? Just 2 kilometers. 42. So 40, which is equals to 2 kilometers. So here it is traveled 25 kilometer. Understanding? Here it is travel only 3 kilometer, 12 kilometers, and here 2 kilometer. Next, D to E, how much kilometers? 11:15 to 11:30, 15 minutes. 15 minutes time. How much time? 15 minutes time. What is the distance?
8 kilometers.
50 minus 42, which is equal to how much? 8 kilometers.
8 kilometers.
8 kilometers. That is what you should remember. So here 10 minutes, 30 minutes time, 10 minutes time, 20 minutes time, 15 minutes time, 15 minutes time. So you may understand the differences. 25, 3 kilometer, 12 kilometer, 2 kilometer, and 8 kilometer. So now this is about the graph. Will you plot it or not? Manya, Samaya, Laksha, everybody. Will you plot this graph? Must plot. Everybody must plot. Now, what is the first question they are asking? Tell me. What is the first question? First question, plot the graph. Completed. Completed. Now, what is the second graph?
Average speed.
So, average speed means what is the formula? Please tell me. What is the average speed formula?
Total distance by total time.
Total distance by total time taken.
Total distance divided by total time taken.
Time taken.
So total time taken. So what is the total distance travel? Check it. What is the total distance travel maximum? What is the total distance travel? 0 to 50 means in the sense of what?
50, sir.
50 kilometers. And the same way, time period is how much? 10 o'clock to 11:30. Means in the sense of what? 1 by 2 hours.
Level.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So average speed is equals to, can I say, 50 kilometers divided, this is the total distance. Total distance is equals to. Now total time is equals to how much, Ra? Total time is equals to 1.5 hours. Is it yes or no? Check it.
Yes, sir.
1.5 hours. Is it true or not? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, 1 hour. 11 o'clock to 11:30, 1.5 hour. Means 1.5 hour means, can I write 1 by 2 hours? Is it right or wrong? 1 by 2 hours. Is it right or wrong? Please tell me, R.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1.5 hours means how much, Ra? Which is equals to 3 by 2 hours. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1.5 means 3 by 2 hours. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So now you substitute. So average speed is equals to average speed. Understanding? So V average, which is equals to total distance is how much? 50 kilometers divided by total time is equals to 3 by 2 hours. So 2 will go up because of denominator, again having denominator. So 50 into 2 divided by 3 kilometer per hour. So solve it and tell me how much it is.
Per hour.
Fastly. Pradosh, 100 divided by 3 kilometer per hour, which is equals to 33.33 kilometer per hour. Will you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Sir.
Solve it. Solve it, all of you. That or not?
Yes, sir.
This is Roman number 2, average velocity. Next, Roman number 3. Roman number 3, what they are asking? Check it and tell me. Roman number 3. Manya, Laksha, what are you doing? Speak. Roman number 3. What is the Roman number 3, Ra? What is the Roman number 3? Check it here. When is the train traveling at the highest speed? Is it yes or no? When is the traveling? When is
Yes, sir.
the train traveling at the highest speed? Next, at what distance does the train slow down? That is the two things they are asking. So as we know that when the train traveling at the highest speed, wherever we have a maximum slope, is it yes or no? More slope, more speed. Understanding? Less slope, less speed. So now observe the graph and tell me where we having. Always you remember, they're asking where at what point the speed is more, they're asking. So I can say that if more slope, more speed. If slope of a graph is more, SLOP, if more slope, more will be the speed. More will be the speed. Now in the graph, where it is having more slope, can you able to say? Where it is traveling more distance, yeah, that's all. So where it is having
10 to 10:30.
where is having more slope, you check it. This slope is
10
this
to
much only.
10:30.
Understanding? This slope is this much only. This slope is here very, very less slope. Understanding? And here also very less slope. But here it's having this much big slope. So who is having more slope? Which one?
10
Which
to
part?
10:30.
Which part? OA. Understanding? So third region, the body is traveling in between OA with the maximum speed. Do you understanding, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Maximum speed at OA because slope is more. Understanding? Slope is what? Maximum. Note it down. Slope is maximum. Is it okay, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where the train slow down? At what distance? Where the train slow down? Next part. Where it is having minimum distance, check it. Where it is slowed down? Between graph,
10 to 10, 15.
graph, where it is? Between which distances? Where it is having minimum slope, Ray?
42, 42.
40 to 42 kilometers, that is. So it is slow down between 40 kilometers to 42 kilometers. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And all of you, that is. So next, last question. All of you find last question. What is the last question? Read all of you. What is the last question they're asking? Calculate the speed of the train between 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. Between the 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. Speed between 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. they are asking. So go to the graph and check it. 10:40 a.m. to 11 a.m. Check it, all of you. What is this? This is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now here slope you calculate it. What is that speed? What is the distance covered? 40 minus 30, 28. 40 minus 28. How much it is equals to? 12 kilometers. Divided by time is equals to how much? 11 minus 1040, which is equals to 20 minutes. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
So the speed between 10:40 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. Speed is equals to, understanding, speed is equals to, so distance, what is that? 40 minus 28, understanding, kilometers divided by 11 minus, understanding, so 11 a.m. minus 10:40 a.m. So which is equals to how much, Ra? Which is equal to how much? Huh?
20 minutes.
11 a.m. minus 10:40 a.m. Understanding, which will give you, so 40 minus 20, which will give you 12 kilometers divided by 20 minutes. But is it minutes we have? Is it minutes we can substitute directly? We have to convert into what? Hours. Correct?
Hours.
So speed is equals to, so 12 kilometers, and as we know that 1 minute equals to how many hours, Ra? 1 by 60 hours. How many hours?
1 by
1
60.
by
By 60 hours.
20 into 1 by 60 hours. So now you can understand it. So which is equals to, so 12 kilometers divided by 20 divided by 60 hours. So 60 will go up, or else you can write like this. So 21s are 23s are. So 12 kilometers divided by 1 by 3 hours. So 3 will go up. So 12 threes are, understanding, kilometer per hour. So which is equals to how much are 12 threes are? 36 kilometer per hour.
36.
Understanding? So between 10:40 to 11 a.m. Understanding? So the speed of the train is how much, Ra? 36
Kilometer per
36
hour.
kilometers per hour.
per hour. Do you understanding, all of you? Like this we should find understanding speed. Understanding. Now let me see who will say first. Let me calculate the speed between OA. All of you, who will do first? I will see. Between the speed, calculate the speed between OA. Speed between OA. Let me see who will say. Observe carefully, where all of you. Means 10 to 10:30 time. Now speed 0 and the distance is 25 kilometer. Note it down. So what is? Let me see who will say first. Speed between OA. Speed between OA. So what is that? Speed between OA is equals to 25 minus 0 divided by 10:30 minus 10 a.m. which is equals to 25 kilometers divided by 30 minutes. So which is equals to 25 kilometers, this much time. So 30 minutes means 30 into 1 by 60 hours. Nobody is very bad, it is. So which is equals to, so 25 kilometers, which is equals to 30 divided by 60 hours. So 31s are 32s are. That's all.
32, sir.
Which is equals to 2 will go up. So which is equals to 25 into 2 kilometer per hour, which is equals to
50 kilometer per hour.
So
50
the
kilometer per hour.
O to A, OA, which is equals to 50 kilometer hour. 50 kilometer per hour. Note it down. 50 kilometer per hour. Solve it, solve it. Laksha, do you understand, Laksha? Everybody solve. This is the speed between OA. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir.
So this is the way you should solve it. Nobody solved exam very well. I am really unhappy, Ra, because you people are not solved very well. So